Ito talaga is like sabi nga natin, overall energy ninyo is home, no? So, family, no? So, maybe within family talaga ang nakikita ko rito, no? Hiningal touch. Yan, no? Meron ditong, for some of you Taurus, nakikita ko, no? Nagkaroon ng expectation but then failure, no, from that expectation, no, Taurus, no. May ina-expect kayo kung ano man ito within the family, no, na hindi nangyari. Stability within the family, no. Stability, hindi lang naman yan financial, no. Pwedeng emotional din with the 9 of Cups, no. Sabihin natin, hindi nagkakasundo for some of you, no. May mga hindi nagkakasundo within family, no. With the 9 of Swords in reverse, no, full of sabi nating burden, no? Burden, mas parang mas naging, pero nakikita ko rito unti-unti na for some of you, parang ini-ignore mo na lang kung ano man ito, no? Na problem sa within the family, no? With the Page of Cups in reverse, nakikita ko walang pag-uusap kung sino man tong member ng family ninyo, kung sino man ito, sibling mo man yan, husband, wife mo man yan, anak mo man yan, no? Nakikita ko, nire-refuse yung conversation, no? Nire-refuse yung, sabihin natin, dapat na pag-usapan kung ano man ito, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko. And, for some of you Taurus, no, ini-ignore mo na lang din tong situation na to kung ano man ito, no? Parang before, ikaw yung nag-a-action para maging maayos, no? Because, syempre, mahal mo yung family na ito, no? Kung ano man yung issue within the family. But then, parang for some of you, nare-realize mo rin na it's enough na, no? Parang wala namang pagbabago, no? For some of you. So, you gave up na, no? For some of you, Taurus. Or, for some of you, you are thinking to give up the situation, no? Kung ano man ito, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. Parang ayaw mo nang kumilos, no? With the 4 of Wands in reverse, nakikita ko is parang yun nga sinasabi dito na pagod ka na, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Pagod ka na intindihin, no? Intindihin kung yung sitwasyon, intindihin makipag-communicate, no? Parang ano no, sabihin nating nonsense lang makipag-usap because may matigas ang ulo, may hindi nakikinig, no, for some of you, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, mga Taurus natin, no. So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng additional